Hey, this is Michael with Explorers R Us. About 6 months ago, I finished a 2-year plan basically to get rid of all the COVID weight that I had put on from doing work from home and things like that. So I never really got out, and even in this crazy state of Washington for 6 months, you weren't even allowed to go to the parks. And then you had to wear masks to go to the parks. It was rather interesting out here. So the weight packed on, and it took me forever to get it off. So back at the end of August last year, and it's February now, I finished that piece, and I decided I was going to start getting ready to work out. And so I went and started what I had done in the past, and what I quickly realized up into November is that I wasn't gaining the muscle like I had before. Now, a lot of it has to do with the aging process and what we all go through as we age, and that we all tend to lose muscle mass. And I decided I was going to fight back. And lo and behold, I found some tricks that actually really work. So the other day I had put up a video which basically was about nitric oxide, and that was the delivery of all those nutrients to get back into your body. And now I'm going to talk about the next phase of it, because there's a 3-prong process. I've been doing this part since December 1, so 60 days in, and that is I am using creatine. What I found with the creatine is that it does increase muscle strength and size. I'm seeing it myself as I work out. I am gaining muscle mass, which for my age is not typical. It improves exercise performance. I've seen that as well. Walking a lot farther, getting up and running here and there. So a lot has changed for me. Weightlifting, amazing improvement. And one day when the weather's nice, I'll let you see what actually has transpired. It enhances the recovery process, which is for the muscles, so it speeds it up because it's putting a lot of water into the muscles themselves. One of the things that I immediately noticed when I started taking this is there's cognitive benefits. My memory is improving, and my concentration is improving too. So that's a real positive. It is doing brain transformation. It works. And as I said at the beginning, it supports muscle maintenance and aging. As we age, we all lose muscle mass. It's just what we do. And this piece has helped me change that and actually reverse it. And so, yes, I do have nice muscles in the arms that I'll show you somewhere in the next month or two. And the weather's actually nice enough, because being February, it's kind of cold out here. But so this is the second phase of a 3-prong process I've been working on, and I wanted to invite you to take a hard look at this, because creatine does work, especially as you get older. So if you haven't thought about creatine, give it a test. One last thing before I go, when I was doing my research, Ohio State actually put out a really good paper on this, and when you first start, it tells you how to load up. And basically what you're doing is you're taking 4 sets of this for about 10 days. So what I take with this is about 1 teaspoon per day right now. But when you load up, I did 4 teaspoons. And I put it in, what I found works best is I put it in coffee. But once you get to that load up phase and you're done with 10 days, you go back to 1 teaspoon per day. And again, I found it works best in coffee. There's no flavor. You can't tell you're even drinking it. So it's kind of amazing. I put it on my oatmeal and some other things that, to get the 4 in, because I'm not going to drink coffee every day, all day long. But I will in the morning. But this stuff does really help. So if you haven't had a chance to try it out, I highly suggest you do. This is Michael with Explorers R Us / Cycling Explorer, signing off today with another healthy tip.